Good morning, students. I'm Khushi Joxe, Associate Professor from Department of Pharmaceutics, SIPTEC Gandhinagar College. In today's class, we are going to start the topic that is from Unit 2nd. In earlier classes, we have completed the Unit 1st, that is pilot plant techniques. Now, today, we are going to start Unit 2nd, that is technology development and transfer. Okay? First of all, to start this topic, we should know about what is technology transfer, right? See, these are the contents which we are going to cover in today's class. Introduction to technology transfer, then the facets of technology transfer, content of technology transfer, constituents of technology transfer, technology transfer agents, and the types of the technology. Okay, and then in this steps of the technology we will also cover. So first of all, we should know what is technology transfer. Okay, so this is technology transfer refers to the process of conveying results stemming from scientific and technological research to the marketplace and to wider society, along with associated skills and procedure, and is as such an interesting part of the technological innovation process. In a simple way, we can say that technology transfer is the process of sharing of skills, knowledge, technologies, methods of manufacturing, samples of manufacturing, and facilities among the organization. This is a you can say simple definition of the technology transfer. And in pharmaceutical industry, transfer refers to the process of successful progress from drug discovery to the product development, clinical trials, and ultimately full-scale commercialization. Okay, this is about the technology, or we can say introduction of the technology transfer. This is also a definition. You can see another definition. Okay, transfer of technology is defined as a logical procedure that controls the transfer of any process together with its documentation and professional expertise between development and manufacture, or between the manufacture sites. Okay, and technology transfer is both integral and critical to the drug discovery and development process for new medicinal products. Okay, next is facets of technology transfer. The transfer of technology could happen in any of the following ways, like government labs, right, to the private sector firms, between private sector firms of same country, and between private sector firms of different country, from academia to private sector firms, academia, government, and industry collaborations. Okay, now the next, content of technology transfer, like proper research, paperwork, pricing, publicity, partnership, people's acceptance. These are the contents of the technology transfer. Okay, we can say constituent also. Okay, and you know why reason, what is the reason of the technology transfer? Okay, why? Due to the lack of manufacturing capacity, technology transfer is needed, and due to the lack of resources to launch product commercially. Okay, and due to the lack of marketing, distributor and distribution capability. Okay, then forming alliances with partners with manufacturing capabilities. These all are the reasons why technology transfer is done. Okay, now this is the technology transfer from various sectors. See, in startup firms and R&D firms, research development, these are from the university or the research institute, then production, manufacturing, distribution, these are the larger companies. Then after this, the market, commercialization. Okay, these are the various sectors in which technology transfer from various sectors. Okay, now next is technology transfer process flow chart. This is only a flow chart. You can see Technology transfer process, how it's process innovation, then research and development, then assessment, information and assessment, investment, collaboration, then commercialization. This is a process. Okay. See, this is the TT team, that is technology transfer team. Okay, it consists of like R&D process technologist, QA representative, production representative, and engineering representative, and QC representative. These all are the team of the technology transfer team. This is the team. Okay. Next, ways technology is transferred. How the ways? Consulting, right? Graduating students, like they are the moving heads. Faculty moving on, like they are also in moving heads. Collaborative research, patenting and licensing, services and outreach, extension, spin-off companies. These all are the ways in which technology transfer is done. These are the agents, same as we had discussed in that. See, okay, like this R&D process. This is also an example of this R&D units in this university. Public research comes in centers, technology institutes, okay, institution labs, companies, supplier of technology. In companies, what will come? Supplier of the technology, and R&D to third parties, spin-off, startup, large R&D department, competitors, suppliers, technology alliances. These all are the agents. Before discussing the types, I would like to explain you about the steps in technology transfer process. What are the steps? Like development of technology by R&D, right? As we have seen the agents. So first step is development of technology by the R&D research phase. In this, there are two steps: design of procedure. First, designing of procedure is done, then selection of the excipients. Then after this, excipients by the R&D, and then identification of specification and quality by same the R&D. Okay. Then technology transfer from R&D to production, that is development phase. Okay, these are the steps in technology transfer. Okay, then technology transfer from R&D to production, that is development phase, and in this many steps are there, like master formula card, MFC, master packaging card, master formula card, specification and standard test procedure, that is STPS. These all are the steps which are done in the transfer technology transfer process. Okay, and many other there are also there. See, optimization and production, that is production phase. That was the development, this is the production phase. In this, validation studies are done, scale up for production are done, then technology transfer documentation are done. Next step, in the next step, and in this step, development report is done, technology transfer plan is done, exhibit is done. Okay, so these all are the technology steps in the technology transfer. Okay. Now we will go for the types of the technology. What are the types of the technology? Okay. So the types of the types of the technology are the emerging technology. What is emerging? Emerging is an innovative technology that is currently undergoing hence scale testing, in which a small version of the technology is tested in a laboratory. Okay, that is emerging technology. Next is innovative technology. You can understand it by its name also. Okay, innovative technology is a technology that has been field tested and applied to a hazardous waste problem at a site, but lack a long history of full scale up. This is innovative technology. Then the third is the established technology. Third one is the established technology. That is a technology for which cost and performance information is readily only after a technology has been used at many different sites, and the result fully documented is that technology considered. This is established technology. So these all are the types of the technology: emerging technology, innovative technology, established technology. Okay, okay. And then the next is constituents of technology transfer process. So these are the technology transfer, technology promotion, technology deployment, technology innovation, development, research, assessment, technology information and communication, technology investment, technology collaboration, technology commercialization. These all are the constituent of the technology transfer process. Hope all you got. And we will see the next thing, that is list of the institute in India that is assisting in technology transfer. First is APCTT, that is Asia Pacific Center for Transfer of Technology. Okay, this is Indian institute in India. Then the next is TBSE, that is Technology Bureau for Small Enterprises. Okay, and the next is National Research and Development Corporation. The last but not the least, Foundation for Innovation and Technology Transfer. Okay, these are the list of institutes in India that are assisting in the technology transfer. Okay, hope you all got the today's technology transfer development class. So students, this is all about today's class. If you have any inquiry, you can ask in doubt class, or you can text me, or you can message me, mail me. Thank you. Hope you all are safe. Thank you. Have a nice day.